tutorial, we are going to see how to update a record using update statement. The update statement is used to modify the existing rows in a table based on the specified condition. If where condition is not provided, then all the column values will be updated. Let's see this. Update a specific rows. This is your table and you have 3 records. And if you want to update this particular record, we'll see the syntax how to do that. You'll say update, then your table name, which is this one, and then you'll say set. Now you're updating column 2 and value is your new value, and you are saying where the column 1 is equal to 2, so this one, and you are updating this value. I hope this is clear to you. When you are saying set, you are trying to update the value of column 2 with the whatever the value. Here is new value 2, and your condition is telling which value, column 1 whose value is equal to 2. Now update all the rows. How to update all the rows? Let's see. Syntax. You use update, then your table name, which is this one, and you say set column 2. You are updating column 2 values, this one, with the new value 1. Now you do not have where condition, so all these values will be updated with the new value 1. First question is update a record into staff member table. Here we are going to update third record, and we are going to update the date, and we will be updating old date with the new date. This is 2011-11-11. In this we are going to use the update statement to update one or more or all records. So let's see here in our staff management database, since we already work on the delete from statement and we deleted all the data from staff department table and staff member table. Here you would like to add the data into this table first, so I'm gonna just copy and paste this statement just to save the time. You can use these statements, select and execute this statement. Now this statement will basically add here data into both tables. Let me write down first question. We are going to delete our first record here, right? So forget about this statement for a while. I will say why to use this one. If you're updating a record, let's say staff member, and you're setting, let's say, I'll say hire date, and you're setting your hire date as 2011-11-11, where your employee ID equals to let's say 3. Now execute this statement. In case you are getting error while updating this one, then you just statement and you say SQL safe update is equal to 0. We are not getting any error, so I'm not going to do anything here. Now, second question is update the multiple records into staff member table. Here we are going to update multiple records. We are going to update all these records from join date table with the new one. We are going to update with the 2011 11 11. Now what you want to do, if you want to do multiple records, you can just copy this statement and you can update the multiple records in this table, just saying remove this thing, update. What will happen, this statement will update all the records, but before that you will like to see the output of this statement, right? I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna see 3. If you see, our record is updated here. Now once we write this statement and we do not mention the where condition, it will update all the records in this headed column. Let's execute this statement. The statement, you are safe mode and you try to update table, okay, without where clause. So if you are getting this error, then you wanna execute this statement. After that you execute this line, everything will be all right. Okay, now let's see the results. If you see, your all records have updated here. I think that's all for this tutorial, guys. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.